Achoo! Achoo!
Hey guys, what's up? As you guys just saw, so yeah, you guys see in the title what we're probably doing today. So let's just get right into it.
Oh.
Alright, let's let my friend have a turn.
Transition. What?
Child!
Wait, no, bro, use my scooter.
Okay.
Corey, don't get in there. No, shh. Be quiet. We're recording a video.
Be quiet.
Okay, guys, he's using my scooter.